Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I will show you how to clear or manage your listening history on the Spotify. So let's get started. First, start by opening the Spotify app on your Android phone. Now tap on Your Library at the bottom. Here you will see albums, playlists or artists you have recently listened to. Spotify does not currently allow you to fully delete your listening history on Android. Even when you tap and hold an artist or album, you will only see options like following or pin artist, not remove. The best way to stop Spotify from saving your listening activity is to turn on private session. For that, go to your home page, tap the gear icon in the top right, scroll down until you see the option called private session and toggle on this option. This keeps your listening private and does not affect your recommendations. If you want to avoid messy history, create a clean playlist and use it in private session mode. That way nothing new is saved or shown under recently played. And that's how you manage your listening privacy on Spotify for Android. No full delete option yet, but these tricks give you better control. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.